Hi, today we are making Taro milk tea boba soap, and that is a fragrance by Dupe Fragrance. The mica we're using is majority of the grape knee-high, I'm not sure how you pronounce that, from Mad Micas. And I'm actually going to be using some taro powder. It does have sugar, so we'll see how it turns out. Nobody's ever really tried this dupe fragrance that I've seen on YouTube anyway for cold processed soap. So I guess I'll be the tester for everybody. So here we are, just mixing up. And like I said, I'm using freeze-dried taro powder, which I just put in there. I'm gonna get that blended in. That will add a little bit of extra lather because of the sugars. Not only the added sugar, but also the starch from the actual taro. I don't believe it's adding any color at all. So we use the mica there. And I did add a little bit of titanium dioxide into this purple, just to tone it down a little bit. For this soap, I used cocoa butter unrefined because it had that nutty, chocolatey smell, and that complements this scent beautifully. The scent smells exactly like taro milk tea, so if you wanted to try this fragrance oil, I absolutely suggest it. Right now I'm getting my white batter ready, and I'm going to be pouring the rest of this batter into a drop swirl. And it's just back and forth, letting it fall through the purple batter. And I'm hoping that gives it a kind of creamy look to the top. And then I'll pour the rest in here. On Amazon, I found fun paper boba straws, and I cut them into little strips or sections, and that's what I'm using right here as my straws. I cut them down. They do soak up a little bit of oils, but nothing that is going to be tragic for your soap. And I do use maybe too many. I probably should have spaced this or thought it out a little bit more. I thought I was doing 1 inch, but they come out to a little less. So you might want to do a little bit more measuring than I did. I'm cutting using a knife because my wire cutter is not tall enough with the straw. Here I'm taking a metal file, and you can see that the soap is still quite soft, and I decided to unmold only a few hours later so that I could punch through with the metal file. And here we are filling with glycerin melt and pour soap to create our boba balls. And afterwards I just plane it, and here are our final bars. You'll notice some brown specks, and that is the taro, but the color is purple, and this fragrance oil does not discolor, so everybody is safe to use it. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it.